Welcome to the Florida Courts e-filing portal. Today let's take a look at our DIY Documents tab. Log into the portal as a self-represented litigant. And as a self-represented litigant, the portal will take you directly to the DIY Documents tab. You have two options. You either have your documents prepared and you're ready to file, or you want to go through one of the interview processes to generate a document that you wish to file. If you select you have your documents prepared and click on Continue, it will take you to the e-filing map where you can select Pleading on Existing Case and file your documents. If you need to get back to the DIY Documents tab, from your Filing Options menu, select DIY Documents and it brings you back to the DIY Documents tab. Here you will see all of the interview processes that are available for you to use to generate your document to file. We have small claims, domestic violence petitions, simplified dissolution of marriage, domestic relations, dissolution with property, no children, and dissolution without property or children, and temporary support. This list of interviews will continue to grow as they are created and added to our list. To access one of these interviews, simply click on the link, which is the name of the document. If you select Answer for your small claims, it takes you to your Answer to Small Claims interview instruction sheet. Take the few minutes that it requires to go through the instructions so that you are better prepared to create your document. When you are ready, click on the Start Interview button and it will take you into the interview process and walk you through the steps so that you can work your way all the way back to the courthouse to file your document. Wherever you see a blue hyperlink, this will give you more information. So if you need to go to a lawyer referral service, if you click on the link, it will open that up and you can find more information. Once you have read each of these flyouts, you will click on Continue. It will explain the process that you're going to go through and how your information that is typed into the interview will be captured to populate the portal once you have created your document and also to generate your document. It will ask you questions. You'll need to supply an answer and click on Continue. Now you'll start entering the data that will generate your document and then ultimately file it through the portal with your county. So you would type in your first, middle, and last name and click on Continue. It will take you through the entire process so that you can create your document, and at the end of the process it will drop you into the portal filing path. On the Documents tab, you will be able to print your document or to view your document if you want to. To file your document with the clerk, you would simply go and click on the Submit button, provide a payment method, and then submit your document. It would ultimately end up on your My Submissions page in the portal. You would get a new case number when the case is created, which would also be added to your My Cases page. Again, to get to those DIY documents, it's the Filing Options menu, DIY Documents, and again you will see the number of interviews increase as they are completed and added to this web page. If you need information on how to, you can go to the training videos that are also available on our web page, and you can see there are videos for the self-represented litigant here and available for you to watch. Thank you.